Welcome to Innovation Synergy, where learning meets opportunity. Whether you're an ambitious entrepreneur, an inspiring educator, a passionate marketer, or an innovator seeking to turn artificial intelligence into increased human intelligence, we have the solutions to empower you on your path to success.
In the ever-changing landscape of business, our online courses on business development provide you with invaluable insights and strategies, guiding you towards sustainable growth and prosperity.
In the vast sea of digital marketing, our online courses on digital marketing growth equip you with the latest tools and techniques, enabling you to navigate the digital landscape with confidence and achieve exceptional results.
Education is the key to shaping minds. Engaging students can be challenging in today's digital age. Our online courses on educational course design, pedagogy, and facing the future with the latest AI tools empower you to design significant learning experiences for your students.
We believe that knowledge is the catalyst for transformation. Our mission is to empower you with the skills and expertise needed to thrive in today's dynamic world. Join our community of learners and embark on a journey of growth and self-discovery.
Over 35 business, education, and digital marketing courses in English and Greek. Together, we embrace success.
Imagine, inspire, innovate. Let our experience help your work. Together, we enhance success.
Highly rated, self-paced online courses for your convenience. Together, we embrace success.
Learn with us today, on your own or with a team, and apply it to your work tomorrow. Together, we embrace success.
Using artificial intelligence to enhance human intelligence. Innovation Synergy. We're ready when you are.